If you're feeling overwhelmed, you need to hear these stress-busting tips right now. Alright, let's dive in. Tip number 1, take deep breaths. It sounds simple, but taking a few deep breaths can really calm your mind. Inhale, exhale. Feel better already? Next, try a quick stretch. Stand up, reach for the sky, and stretch those arms. Feels good, right? Moving your body can shake off that tension. Tip 3, listen to some music. Put on your favorite jam and let the rhythm lift your spirits. A good tune can be an instant mood booster. Lastly, take a minute to declutter. A tidy space can lead to a tidy mind. Clear off your desk or organize that messy drawer. It's like hitting a mental reset button. So there you have it. Deep breaths, stretch, jam out, and declutter. Simple, quick, and effective ways to beat stress. Remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Stay chill, my friends.